Ayan. You see guys? Straight na straight. Right? Ayan. Guys, we are going to make a keratin for a curly hair. Okay guys, so we have this kind of keratin. Okay guys, it's a kind of cream.
First time to try it.
So we have to separate the hair first a little bit, slowly. And this is very dangerous for the eyes. So dapat yan may Vaseline.
Bababa muna.
Lagyan mo ng oil yung noo mo. Remove your gloves. I will be the one to do it. Ano ba sabi niya? Ilagyan tapos ano yun?
Pasayaan ng 2 hours and then i-straight ko.
Kailangan iipit tong natapos para hindi ka hindi maidikit sa mukha mo. Wala kang straight na suklay, yung maliliit. Meron ka nun na yung panggupit. Wala?
No, wala. عادي use that suklay albay, عادي.
Kailangan natin ng straight na manipis.
Huwag mong i-breathe, ha? Sa baba, mostly.
Makulot din dito sa taas. Kulot din dito sa taas.
I know, but unahin natin sa baba. Kasi last yung sa taas.
Hindi talagang ganyan mo siya. Pero sabi ko nga sa'yo, kulang yan.
No, that's not kulang mo. Mas maliit pa dyan ginamit pang pakulot. You will tell me that. Half of that maybe.
Ay. May sahod ka na? Pag may sahod ka na. Alam ko ba dyan? Kailangan i-up mo. Guys, after putting the cream, you have to comb it straight. Ayan, kailangan basang-basa guys. And then leave it for a few hours or minutes. Ayan, kailangan siya mag-dry bago siya i-straighten ng straightener. Okay guys, so what I did now, it's I did this one with the straightening and with this comb. Can you video it, ha? Here like that only. Yan, itapat mo lang sa akin ganyan. Yan. Yan. So now, look at me guys. Okay. Just like that. Ayan guys. You see? But you have to be careful because this chemicals is very strong. Yeah, so we have to segregate the hair. And you have to use this straightening machine, 230 degrees. Yeah, like that, straight until all it's dried. Then you repeat it again. Okay, just a second. So as you see the back, it becomes straight. Right? You see guys, straight na straight. Right? Yeah. Okay, guys. And then you will put vitamins later on. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. We will show you